Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Toby and I hope you're having a great day. In today's video we are going to be doing a color blend and we'll be blending the colors 27, 30 and 613. I'm blending these three colors in the same ratio, and what I mean by that is that all three extension colors are the same size. But at the end of this video I'll be showing you how it will look if you use more of the color 613 for the blend and how both colors turned out when they were braided. So you should watch the video till the end to see that. Moving on to the topic of the day, this post is an appreciation post and I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who watches my videos. Like, I am so freaking grateful for the views, the likes, the comments, the subscriptions, the video requests, everything. I sincerely appreciate it. I literally started posting videos about 3 months ago and a whole lot of my videos are doing so well. My subscriber count is unreal and I have y'all to thank for that. Thank you so much for your support once again, and please watch this video till the end as usual. Like it, share it, and let me know what type of video you love to see on my channel, and I'll be sure to do just that for you. One thing about blend is that there's really no perfect way to do it. It all depends on the look you are going for. And for this blend, I could have left it like this because it looks really cute, yeah. But I wanted to blend it completely. Like, I don't like seeing the individual colors very visible in my blends. That explains why I kept on blending. Now this is the look I was going for, and now I'll show you what it looks like when you blend using more quantity of 613 and little of 27 and 30. Basically, I used half pack of 613 and quarter pack each of 27 and the color 30 to get this color. This is how the blend of the same ratio turned out as braids, and this is how the other blend turned out. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, turn on post notifications so you'll be informed when next I post a new video. And let me know which of the blends you prefer in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!